Hey everybody, I am so excited right now. We love Dinotrux toys and we just got a brand new Dinotrux toy in the mail. This is the die-cast Aquadon and he is so cool. I can't wait to share him with you. And here are some of our bath squirting toys we're gonna get out of the box. We've got bath squirting dozer, Ty, and we've got Rabbit, Garby, and Tun-Tun. And they go in the water and they take a bath right here in this cool play set. But can they take a bath with Aquadon swimming in the water? Oh no! Will Aquadon try an attack? Will Ty and his friends be safe? We'll have to watch and see. But first, let's get Aquadon out of here. I'm really excited about showing him to you. Oh, he's inside here. Let's get the tape off. There we go. Are you ready? Da-da-da-da! Aquadon! Look at this guy. He is a really cool Dinotrux. We've done lots of die-cast Dinotrux toys, and this is the Dinotrux Aquadon. And his tail moves back and forth a little bit, and he swims in the sea. Will Ty and his friends be able to cross the sea, or will Aquadon stop them? This is such a cool die cast. Now watch what he does. Each die cast has a motion, and his is when you press this down. So we're going to press the fin down, and he chomps. Chomp, 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 chomp. He's ready to chomp on Ty and Dozer. Oh no! We have to stop him. Roar! What an evil looking bad guy. This is so cool. And he's got wheels on the bottom so he rolls. And here he has little propellers so that he can propel through the water just like a boat. Now on Dinotrux, there's lots of different bad guys. We've got Destructs. And he always has his little friend around, Scrap It. And they're always causing trouble for Ty. I'm not causing trouble. Oh, you're always causing trouble. And that's Destructs and Scrap It. We also have the Pounders. And they cause lots of trouble by pounding the ground. Look at that. Super cool. And what else do we have? We have the Sawmetrodon. He's one of my favorites. And when you press his head down, his saw turns. He tries to saw down the Reptools' home. That's not good. And he is one of my favorite die casts. Love that guy. Caw-caw, caw-caw. It's a Scraptodactyl. Now those are really cool. They're always trying to pick pieces off of Ty and make scrap out of him. And his wings fold down like this. And he has legs that move. And he is ready to fly and look for scrap. Caw-caw! Hey, not off me. I'm a bad guy like you. Caw-caw! He's leaving. And we also have, oh, can't forget the Scraptors. They're always causing trouble. The Scraptodactyls, they attack from the air. And the Scraptors, they attack from the ground. They're always pouncing on people and attacking. So these are some really cool toys. Now the Drillosaurs aren't really bad guys per se, but they do cause a lot of trouble. They go drilling for diamonds and they keep shaking the ground. And Ty and his friends have to convince these guys to go drill for diamonds somewhere else. And that is the Drillosaur. But let's go ahead and get to these bath toys and see if Aquadon can swim in the water. Woohoo! This is gonna be so much fun. We've got our bath toy and our water. So now all we need are our squirters. Here is Ty, and he's really excited about taking a bath. Oh, he hit the target. Woohoo! Can he hit the other one? You're doing it. Good job, Ty. This is our Ty squirter. And Tun needs a bath. Woohoo! Garby. Rabbit. And Dozer. He always gets muddy dozing the ground. So who's going to take a bath first? How about Ty? He looks like he needs a bath. Here you go, bud. Come over here and we're going to get you all soaped up. We're going to start getting soap on Ty. What a good bath, Ty. Oh no, do you see what I see? Watch out, Ty. It's the Aquadon. We got to get out of here. The Aquadon is in these waters. Roar! Where did that Aquadon go? We better keep an eye out for him. There he is! He's swimming in the water. He's looking for a Dinotrux to bite. Oh no! We better warn Ty to be careful while he takes his bath. That's a scary looking sea monster. Oh no, Tun, be careful. The Aquadon will get you. Rawr! Uh-oh, Tun's in trouble. We've got to get Ty to help him out. Rawr! Run, Tun, run! Ty's on his way. Roar! I heard you were messing with my friend Tun. Hey, I'm king of the ocean, and nobody passes on these waters. Roar! Get out! Never! We need to pass so we can get home to our crater. Roar! It's a fight! It's a water fight! Who's gonna win? Ty needs help. Squirt water at him, Ty. Ah! Too much! Good job, Ty. We'll get Dozer and Rabbit here to help you. Thanks. Dozer, you gotta stop with the bath. Ty needs your help. There's an Aquadon in the water. I'm on my way, Ty. Just let me get these bubbles off. There we go. Let's take care of this Aquadon. Oh no, Dozer and Ty don't know that the Aquadon is right underneath them. He's gonna attack. Roar! Dozer, hurry, you gotta fill up with water so you can squirt the Aquadon. Woohoo! Hurry, Dozer. 1, 2, 3, now squirt him. Ah, not that. Anything but that. You're spitting on me. Gross. That's it, I'm leaving. Woohoo, Dozer, you did it. Let's go get Garby and Rabbit and cross this ocean. It's about time to get home. I'm done with these baths. I'll fill up with water so I can squirt the Aquadon when he comes. This is scary. Dun 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 dun. Here he comes. Rabbit, you've got to squirt him with water. Ah! Oh no, I wasn't ready. That Aquadon is pretty rough. He is one mean sea monster. Look how fast he swims. Rabbit, you can do this. All right, Mr. Aquadon, I'm ready for you this time. Take this. Ah! Good squirting, Rabbit. Ah! Oh, I can't take it. I'm leaving. Too much. Yay, Rabbit, you did it. Woohoo! Hey, where did everybody go? Who are you? Roar! Get out of my ocean! Ah! Get back! Oh! That takes care of that. I was really excited to share these cool toys with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Caw-caw! Caw-caw! Thanks, guys.